The square numbers, multiplying is the key. It's the square numbers, come count with me. 1 times 1 equals 1. Finding square numbers is lots of fun. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now let's find out a little more. 3 times 3 equals 9. The more we try, the more we'll find. 4 times 4 equals 16. Square numbers are so easy. It's the square numbers. Multiplying is the key. It's the square numbers. Come count with me. 5 times 5 equals 25. See the numbers come alive. 6 times 6 equals 36. Math is full of clever tricks. 7 times 7 equals 49. I love using this brain of mine. 8 times 8 equals 64. Let's find some more. It's the square numbers. Multiplying is the key. It's the square numbers. Come count with me.
Numbers from 1 to say 100 to form squares. To form squares. Now, before we are able to form a square, the question has to do what is a square? Do you know the quantities of a square? Yeah, anything. So all the sizes of a square are what? Equal. So if it is 2, it means all the sizes are what? 2, 2, 2, 2. So this symbol shows that all the sizes are what? Equal. In this case, we are going to use bottle tops to form squares so that we know how it is. So these are my bottle tops. For us to be able to see very well, we are going to put the moderate on the ground. So if I take one bottle top, it means that this is 1. So can this one bottle top form a square? Okay, so let's take 2. Can it form a square? You said yes, sir. Are you sure? Okay, then let's draw straight lines. Let's draw straight lines to check if we can get a square. If you come like this, then we also know that with a square, all the sides are equal. So let's check from this side. We are looking at the length. We have 1, 2. So what about this side? Only 1. So this diagram is like this. We have 1 here and 1, 1, 2. So that's not a square. Okay, so let's go to number 3. So using 3, we have 1. Can a 3 form a square? No. What about this side? No. Okay, so let's go to 4.
Yes.
Can it form a square?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to 5. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4. And are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you take the 5th one, you can see that the side here is what? 3. 1, 2, 3. What about the side here? 2. So it cannot form a square. Let's go to the next one is what? 6. Can it form a square?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's check. Let's check from this length. How many? So we have 3 and this side is 1. But we know with a square, it should be either 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, or 3, 3, 3, and 1, 3. So this one is 3 and 1, 2. So it's not a square. Let's go to the next number. The next number is what? 7. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's check. This length is 1, 2. This length 4, and this length 3. Can it form a square? No. What if we change the arrangement? This side is 1. This side is 1. This side is 1. 2. So it doesn't form a square. The next number is 8. Let's count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can it form a square?
Yes,
The length is 1. This length is 1. 4. What about this length? This length and this length. Okay, let's change the arrangement and check if maybe we made a mistake. Good. What is this length?
3.
This side, this side, this side, 2. So it can form what? A square. Let's continue because we don't have enough bottle tops. We are going to use this same bottle top. We know we were able to get 4 is what? We have 4 was able to form a square. 2 or 4? 2. So we have 4. And so let's go to, we are going to number
9.
we are done with 8, right? So 9. So I'll add 1 to this one. Can it form a square?
Yes, sir.
Let's check. The side here is what?
3.
So we have 9. Okay, so we are going to the next number 10. So let's add 1. Can it form a square? So number what? 11. Can it form? 12. Can it form? Yes, let's check. The length is what? This side, this side, this side. So this one we have 4 and what? 3. And that's not a square. According to the properties of a square. So the next number is what? 13. Okay. So we add 1 to it. Can it form a square? What about here? Here. Okay. So the next number 14. Can it form a square? Okay. The next number
15.
can it form a square? The next number can it form a square? Let's confirm. 4. We have 16. Can we continue? So the next number is 17. Can it form? Are you sure? The next number is 18. Can it form? The next number?
19.
Can it form? The next number?
20.
Can it form?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have here, so let's confirm. Let's count the sides.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So this side is what? 4. So let's say 4 centimeters. What about this side?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And this one is 5. What about this side?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So what name will we give it to this particular diagram? We have opposite sides are equal. We have 5, 5, and 4. So, yes, this diagram is rectangle. So, if rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So from 20, the next number is 21. So, can it form? So 21 is not possible. The next one is that possible? So the next number 23. Is that possible? The next number
25.
is that possible? Okay, so we try the next number 21. 25 or 6.
25.
Let's confirm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So this side is 5. Let's check this side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's check this side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Then 5 on this side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is this a square?
Yes, sir.
So 25 can also form square. Can we continue?
Yes, sir.
So if you continue, you are going to get what? 26, 27,
28,
30,
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
can this form a square?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So if you count this side, you are going to get how many centimeters?
6.
6. So 36 can also form what? A square. So we are going to continue the arrangement until we find other numbers that can also form a square. And this will lead us to our topic. Square numbers. Say square numbers.
Square numbers.
Square numbers.
Square numbers.
Again.
Square numbers.
Again.
Square numbers.
Let's look at something. When we done after the arrangement, we saw that we have 1, 2, 1, 2. So here is 2. Here is also what? 2. So 2 times 2 gives us what? 4. When we go to the ninth one, that was we have 3 and 3. So 3 multiplied by 2 will give us 9. Let's go to the last one. This one is what? 36. And when we counted, we have what? 6 by what? 6. So it's going to be 6 times what? 6. All these numbers are called square numbers. Again,
Square numbers.
square numbers.
Square numbers.
Now, let's know that whenever we multiply a number by itself, we have a square number. The multiply number be by one, it be a square number. So 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 7 times 7, 4 times 4, 5 times 5, 8 times 8, 9 times 9. So this is what I'm going to do. As you are silent, we are going to find the next square numbers up to 20. Hello? We are going to continue from this side. This one is the 6th one. So 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 20. Tomorrow we will be dealing with that one. Any question? Any question? Okay, then come for yourselves. Okay, so that's it. Bring that attention. Leave that one. Leave that one. Yeah, because that one will form effect. Yes. So you pick the ones that didn't form.
Form a square. 2 also cannot form a square. 3 cannot form a square. 4 can form a square, so it's a square number. 5 cannot form a square. 6 also cannot form a square. 7 cannot form a square. 8 cannot form a square. 9 can form a square, so it's a square number. 10 cannot form a square. 11 cannot form a square. 12 cannot form a square. 13 cannot form a square. 14 cannot form a square. 15 cannot form a square. 16 can form a square, so it's a square number. 17 cannot form a square.
Let's clap for that. So.
We are here to learn about square numbers. 1 is a square number because 1 times 1 equals 1. So if you take 1 here the square have four equal size, and here is one. Here is two is one. So one can be a square number. Then two cannot give us square number because we need four or two terms in here, but it is two, so two cannot give us square number.
So what's the length? The length. Give us the length.
Here is two, one, and two. Here two is one, but we need two. Then here two is three. The length is two, one. So it cannot give us the square number. Then four too is a square number because the lengths are equal. Here is two and two. So 4 is a square number. 5 is not a square number because the length is here is 3, 1, 2 and 2. So it is not a square number. 6 is not a square number because here is 3, 2. So it cannot form a square number.
Let's clap for that thing. Oh, Alice, hurry up. Is that up to 10?
This one over there.
Who is having some of the bottle tops? Okay.
Seven is not a square number. It is because here is 3, here is 3, here is 2, and here is 1, and here is 3.
So it can't form a square.
So it can't form a square number.
It can't form a square, so it's not a square number.
So it can't form a square. So it is not a square.
A square number. Okay.
8 is not a square number. It is because here is 4, here is 2, and here 4 and here is 2. So it can't form a square. So it is a square number. It is not a square number. And 9 is a square number because here is 3, here is 3, here is 3, here is 3. So it's a square number. 10 comes from a square number because here is 3, here is 1, here is 4, here is 3. So it is not a square number. Here is 11 is not a square number because here is 3, here is 2, and here is 4, and here is 3. So it can't form a square number. So it is not a square number.
It comes from a square, so it's not a square number. Okay. Let's come for Alice. Aduni, come and continue the rest. Yes, Aduni, it's okay. Come and explain it to us. Where is the length and where is the breadth? That's where. What? No. Show it well. Okay. Eh? It can't form a square, so it's not a square number.
It can't form a square. So the length side is 4, and here is 1, and here is 4. So it is not a square. It's not a square, so it can't form a square number. The length side is 4, here is 4, and here is 3, and here is 2, and here is 4. It's not a square number. Square number, so it's not a square number.
It's not up to. Add the 7.
One is square number because the length is the two lengths are equal one and the breadth is one. So the square number 2 is not a square number because the length, the two lengths is two and the breadth is one. So it's not a square number. Also, it's not a square number because the two lengths is here is 2 and here is 1. Here is 1. So it's not a square number. 4 is a square number because the two lengths are the same, 2 and 2, and the breadth is also 2. Number 5 is not a square number because the length is 3. The breadth here is 2 and here is 1. So it's not a square number. Number 6 is not a square number because here is 3. The length is 3. The breadth is 2. So it's not a square number. Number 7 is not a square number because here is 4 and here is 3. 4, 3, and 2. So it's not a square number.
Yeah, let's go for it. Clinton. Oh, help him. Come and help him. Clinton, start. Go and begin.
Go and start.
No, give it to him. You are not Clinton. Give it to him. You are not Clinton. You had to get ready.
Eight is not a square number because the length is this side is 3 and the breadth this side is 2. This side is 2, this side is 3. So 8 is not a square number. When it comes to 9, 9 is a square number because The length is 3 and the breadth 3. This other length 3 and the breadth is also 3. So 9 is the square number. When it comes to 10, the length is 4 and the breadth is 2. The length here is 2 and the breadth is 3, so it's not a square number. When it comes to 11, the length is 4, the breadth is 2, and the length here is 3, and the breadth is 3, so 11 is not a square number.
Okay, let's go for it. Susie, you are doing that of 12 and 13. Oh, help her. Moses, I can't test the man. Oh, add the 14.
Here is 12. 12 has a length and a breadth. The length is 4 and the breadth is 3. So 12 is not a square number. Here is 13. The 13 also has a length and a breadth. The length has 4 numbers, but the breadth has the length has 4 and the weight also has 3, so 13 is not a square number. If you come here, we have 14. 14 also has a length and a breadth. The length has 5 and the breadth has 3, so it's not a square number.
Okay, let's count for them.